princess of the village. Once upon a time, a beautiful princess lived in a small village in a distant country. Her name was Alina, and the villagers loved her. Alina was kind and warm-hearted, and she was especially good friends with animals. However, a bad witch appeared in the village and held a grudge against Alina. One night, she cursed Alina. "If you stab your finger with a single needle, you will fall asleep forever," he said, and the witch disappeared. The villagers heard the story and desperately tried to protect Alina, but no matter how hard they tried, the shadow of the curse cornered her. One day, a village festival was held. Alina was dancing happily with everyone, but unfortunately, she found a spin while preparing for the festival. Out of curiosity, Alina approached the mill and touched the needle. Then she fell into a deep sleep. The village darkened in an instant, and many brave men gathered to help Alina. However, no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't wake up Alina. As the years went by, Eleanor's figure continued to live in the memory of the villagers as a sleeping princess surrounded by beautiful roses. After hundreds of years, a young knight visited the village. His name is Alan. After hearing Eleanor's story from the villagers, Alan began his journey to wake her up. He crossed deep forests and high mountains and challenged various trials to find the secret words to break the witch's curse. Finally, Alan arrived at the cave where the witch lived. So he met the witch and said a word that moved her heart. "People are awakened by love. Alina is a symbol of that love," he said. The witch was surprised by the words that touched her heart, regretted her actions, and decided to break the curse. When Alan returned to the village, he rushed to the sleeping Alina. Alina opened her eyes as she gently kissed her cheek. When she woke up, she was grateful for Alan's kindness, and the two immediately connected. The village was once again enveloped in blessings, and Alina and Alan lived happily. The bad witch changed her mind and began to help the villagers. In this way, the magical events of fairy tales will be told forever. That's it.